Are you visiting Epcot soon? Then you need to watch this video to check out the best tips and tricks for your day at Epcot. I know a Disney trip can seem a little bit overwhelming now, so we are here at Epcot and we're gonna break down some of the top tips and tricks to help you have the most seamless Epcot day, from Genie Plus to food tricks to portable charger tips and phone tips and character meet and greets, rides, all that good stuff. Let's go have a great day in Epcot. Before we get started, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. If you're an annual pass holder, you can come in the pass holder entrance here at Epcot. How nice is this? I love that they do this for pass holders. Now, we all know there's not much free you can get in Disney, but in Club Cool, right next to the Creation Shop, you can actually get some free soda. Now, they all might not be the best sodas, but you can try them out, see for yourself. It's a lot of fun. Try out some sodas in Club Cool from different countries. They're co-products from different countries. Forgot to mention that, but it's a really cool experience in there, and it's free. I want to try to get something somewhat good. I think I liked this one, Viva. Try this watermelon one. That one's not that bad. You guys, Epcot is literally mobbed today. Like, I don't even know what to do at this point. Look how crowded. This is Starbucks. It is so crowded. Here in Connections Cafe, a really good tip is that they have charging ports. See this? They have the USB, they have the wall plug. Really cool. If you can grab a seat here at Connections, you can charge your phone and get a really great meal because the food here is delicious. The burgers are great, the chicken fingers are great, and it's a really nice atmosphere in here. So bring a charger and charge up in Connections. So if you're coming to Epcot, you might want to know about Genie Plus because there aren't a lot of rides here in Epcot, as we may know, and there are some very popular attractions like Guardians of the Galaxy, Remy's Ratatouille Adventure, Test Track, and Frozen, just to name a few of the most popular ones. So here's a tip. There is this website called thrilldata.com, and on this website you can actually see the previous day, previous week, and previous month, the average sellout time for Genie Plus lightning lanes, which is cool because, you know, if you're going, say tomorrow, you can check the thrilldata.com, not sponsored or anything, it's just, I think it's pretty helpful. Instead of having to like track it on the app yourself, trying to see, oh, this sells out at this time, you know, Thrill Data has everything that you could like need to plan your Disney trip. So you'll see like, okay, Remy's Ratatouille Adventure is gonna sell out first. So that's what I did today. I booked that first because I saw that went really early the past week, the past month. Then I was like, okay, it's either between Frozen or Test Track. It's just really good. A lot of good, helpful data information that you can use when you are trying to plan your Epcot trip. Especially if, you know, this is your first time using Genie Plus, it's pretty confusing. It's not the easiest system. So as much information as possible can help you out on your Epcot day. Something that may happen with Disney Genie Plus that isn't really talked about is actually a system failure that happened this morning, and it was a little stressful because I wasn't sure if it was my Wi-Fi, where I was, or what I was doing. It was just my app, my phone, but it was actually Disney's system being down, so no one was able to book their Genie Plus lightning lanes at 7 a.m. But what I did, I just kept refreshing. I was on the Remy's Ratatouille page, kept hitting refresh, and then eventually at 7:11 a.m. I was able to get in. But if this happens, just keep refreshing. All right, everyone, we are here with the Epcot King and our very good friend Tom Does Disney and his amazing girlfriend Jenna. We love her too. Okay, Tom, so you're the Epcot King. You're here all the time. You're live streaming. Epcot is your park. Now we need to know, tell the Krystal Palace viewers a little insight of the best Epcot tip.
All right, here's your best Epcot tip. It's when the park closes, you go into the World Showcase, you watch the fireworks, you let everybody file out, and you spend about 30 minutes to an hour walking around back there. Watch the sights, see the sounds. See the sounds? Watch the sights and see the sounds.
And hear the sights.
And it's the best hour or half hour you'll spend in Epcot ever.
There you go.
That's my top tip with Tom from Epcot.
Tom Does Disney, everybody. Check him out.
Thank you.
Just got a Mickey pretzel. The prices are getting out of hand for the Mickey pretzel, honestly, but it's so good and it's just so cute. And look at this Coke. It has Disney 100, Mickey on it. So cute. Here in the Creation Shop, it could get very busy, especially after the fireworks. A lot of people want to buy something from it. So they do have mobile checkout, which is really, really, really helpful. You pretty much shop on your phone. If you've been to any grocery store that has, you know, the mobile checkout, you scan your items throughout the store right on your phone, and then you pay. You show your receipt right here at the checkout line, and they let you walk out with your items that you paid for. See, mobile checkout, exit here. They'll give you a QR code once you paid, put it in a bag, and you're good to go. All right, we ran into the iconic Adam the Woo, the Daily Woo.
How's it going?
We're friends. So Adam, I have to ask you for the video, what is a good Epcot tip and trick you have to share?
Well, it used to be when they'd have the salad bar toppings, you could go in and make a little makeshift salad.
Okay.
But now the next one would be Club Cool.
Yes.
Just keep going in there like every hour and get caffeinated with some soda. Just like that.
There you go.
You don't have to buy a soda.
And
Just
it's
get
free.
Little shot glasses or toothpick holders.
What's your favorite drink from there?
Not Beverly.
Yeah.
And I don't like the one that tastes like Rome burning.
Yeah, yes, I know that one.
I don't
that
remember
one.
It sounds like barbecue sauce.
It might be even worse than Beverly, honestly. It's pretty bad.
It depends on the mood, but yeah, they're both bad.
Thanks, Adam. Frozen lightning lanes are sold out. That was the only one I really wanted to do. So I just grabbed a Nemo one because it's for $12.15. It's $12.13 right now. So might as well just hop on Nemo while we're right here. The regular wait is 45 minutes. That's when you know it's a busy day here at Epcot. My dad's ticket is the Nemo, and we're going on Nemo. How cute is that? Another good tip is at the end of the Nemo ride, there's actually a really big aquarium. So if it's a hot day or your kid likes sea life, definitely check out the aquarium. Look at that. Look at him. Wow, because it's awesome. Here's a little overview of some of the things you can see. Turtles, sharks, rays, dolphins. Turtle Talk with Crush is in here too. Manatees, ocean life. So beautiful. Hi. Wow. Let them go. Or, you know, if it's raining, you can definitely spend a good amount of time checking out all the exhibits up here. Dolphins. Wow, they're really active today. Oh, wow, that looks fake. Oh, my. You could see on the other side right there, that's actually the Coral Reef restaurant. So you could see in this aquarium from the restaurant. It's a really cool spot. If you've ever watched Full House, they ate there. And isn't that where Uncle Jesse proposed, or he tried to propose or something like that? Such a good episode. Oh, hi!
It's cool. A fish.
Yeah! Wow!
A lot of fish together is this.
We're headed to Spaceship Earth, but we're passing Journey of Water again. And Adam actually told me that the virtual queue he just joined was 515-minute wait. So that's like not even the end of the park day. That's after park close at 9. So it's definitely popular. Make sure you get that virtual queue in the morning. As of October 2023, the time to get a virtual queue for Moana is 8:45 a.m., which can get a little confusing because Genie Plus starts at 7 a.m., Moana virtual queue is 8:45 a.m., and at 9 a.m. or park open, that's when non-resort guests can get an individual lightning lane. Wow, Spaceship Earth is a 60-minute wait. It's a busy day, but we have lightning lane for it. Spaceship Earth lightning lane, I was able to book right when we got on Nemo, so that was great. It was, you know, right away, 12:35 lightning lane for Spaceship Earth. That's what's good about like the less popular rides for Genie Plus, but what's bad is that I couldn't get frozen. All right, 5 minutes, we're on compared to 60 minutes, Genie Plus. My favorite nap ride. Good night.
Now we can have some tea and trade with you. Have a solution.
I took a Renaissance class. Renaissance art history, all about that in college.
Should I say your future?
Oh, there I am. Your head didn't come out.
Love senses and your clothing will keep track of your vital signs.
So now we are at Mission Space. Now with this one, I would say to be careful. My cousin came here for the first time and she went on Mission Space and she texted me like, oh my, what was that? Like, is there any other rides like that? She was not a fan. She felt a little sick, a little claustrophobic. So with this one, I would say just be careful. If you get motion sickness, you might want to skip Mission Space. Right by Mission Space is the Space 220 restaurant. Now this restaurant is one of the most popular here at Disney World, and for the hard to get Disney dining reservations, I like to use a service like Mouse Dining. They're really great. You just like put in the information you want and they'll be able to send you a notification if any reservations come up. They end up sending you like a bunch of notifications right as they pop up and become available, and you can usually snag a last minute dining reservation. The chances that you come to Epcot and there's a festival going on are very high. So you're gonna wanna pick up a festival passport. These are free. They have all the pages, every single booth, all the activities, merchandise locations. They also usually have for the festivals little like crawls like this, where if you eat certain foods, you get a little completer prize. So make sure to pick up one of these. You can also get Disney gift cards for the food and wine festivals. You can use them anywhere, but they just have the food and wine picture on them. You wear them around your wrist. This way it makes it so much easier. You just, scan your Disney gift cards, makes it a lot easier to pay, load your money on it, and it's also good for budgeting purposes. Say you only want to spend $100 here in Epcot, stick to the gift card. You also got to try out the grapefruit beer in Germany. I'm not a beer drinker, but I love the grapefruit beer. It's delicious. You know the Mickey pretzel, but have you ever seen this giant pretzel here at Sommerfest? It is delicious too. Be sure to try it out. If you like big pretzels, you're going to want to get this. You can mobile order it. I highly recommend. It's one of the best snacks, my favorite snacks here in all of Epcot. Let's just pop in the Christmas store because I absolutely love it. So here's another fun souvenir too, the tradition of the pickle ornament. You might do this at home, but you can buy a pickle ornament. You're supposed to hide it in the tree, and the pickle brings good luck to those who find it. My honest best tip is to really just take in the World Showcase. There's a lot going on here. However, it's all so beautiful. There's some nooks and crannies around. Just make sure you take some time to enjoy it. I always say Epcot is a 2-day park because the World Showcase you could do a whole day of just exploring everything. If you don't get a reservation in Via Napoli, most of the time, well, sometimes, they have this pizza window open and you can grab a quick slice of pizza to go. So you see this line here, this is for the concert. So during the festivals, they have free concerts, well, included in your Epcot ticket, concerts here at the American Pavilion stage. Now, if there's someone you really want to see, you can actually get a dining package, and that gives you reserved seating. So like all these people don't have the dining package, but the dining package people get a meal and reserved seating at the show. So it's one price. You can pick a bunch of different restaurants to choose from, like Garden Grill, any of those, and then you get preferred seating at the show of your choice. Subject to availability, of course, so be sure to be on the lookout for when the concert lineups come out. You can snag a dining package. A pretty cool place to check out in the Japan Pavilion is this garden up here. It's pretty hidden. There's also some tables, so if you want to grab some sushi and eat it up here, it's a great place. See some hidden tables up here. It's a lot quieter over here as well, and right up here. And speaking of amazing souvenirs, you gotta check out this store in Japan. It's absolutely the best in all of Epcot, all of the World Showcase. Such unique things in here. So if you want to bring home the most epic souvenir for families, for friends, you gotta check this place out. Like this, for example, if someone has a Siberian Husky, so cute. And you're supporting animal shelters. Woo, look at this. I think it's pearls. Very fun. This stuff always looks so good. Back massager, foot roller. Oh, these are so needed after a long Disney day. I used to get these all the time growing up, and they're still here. These lucky cats. Absolutely love them. If you're a fan of mochi, they actually have it. You have to ask at the back register. They have it in the freezer. It's delicious. I've had it from here and I love it. So if you've never been to Epcot or you've never stayed at a boardwalk resort area hotel like the Boardwalk, the Swan and the Dolphin, the Yacht and the Beach Club, you might not know that there's actually an entrance back here, the World Showcase entrance. It's right in between France and the UK. So if you're staying at any of those hotels or you're taking the Skyliner over from Epcot, Riviera, Pop Century, Art of Animation, or Caribbean Beach, you're gonna come in this way. So this is really good too if you wanna ride Remy's or maybe Frozen first, somewhere by the World Showcase. This entrance is definitely the best one to use. Hold on, what is this? What are you? What are you? Hi, buddy. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed this tip and trick video. Now, there are so many Epcot tips that you could share. It's kind of endless because of just how much Epcot has to offer, but I hope you enjoyed just a few of the big ones that came to the top of my head while we're here having a fun day in Epcot. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the Krystal Palace right down below. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.